I was doing fine on my own. Had my dreams, never needed nobody to call my own. Then you came along. Yeah. Early morning, late at night, working hard to build my life. I had no time for promises, no room for sweet talking lies. I watched my heart, I kept it safe. Love was never in my place, but you kept knocking at my door. Then I finally took your hand. I told you I was scared to fall. You said you'd never let me down. And little by little, wall by wall, I begin to fall